Good morning, it's 6 AM. We're off to the Lake District for a few days. Come on! For our first adventure, you join us on the Ingleton Waterfalls Trails. Came here once before, 10, 11 years ago. You have to pay now £11, but I'm not going to grumble about that. Let's just enjoy the walk, the river and the waterfalls.
Thanks for watching. If this is your first time, thank you very much. And if you've been here before, thanks for coming back. For the most part, it's an easy route. Just follow the path. If you'd like to follow our route, you can find a link to Komoot in the description below.
Let's play a game of spot the new thing. Had new boots, new coat, new bottle. Today, new haircut. Obviously, because of all the trees all around us on this trail, flying the drone won't be easy, but I promise I'll send it up whenever I get the chance. I think I might need a new coat. It's too warm now.
Some of the steps were hard going, but the views were always worth it.
Now that we're up out of the gorge, you realise how noisy the waterfalls are. We're closing in on the big waterfall at the top now, Thorton Force.
There's a path to the side of the waterfall, and theoretically you could get behind it if you were brave enough. I wouldn't necessarily recommend it though. Back on the trail. Despite having a rest and some lunch, I was starting to feel tired by now. Let's take a look back at where we've been already.
So we're at the top. There's an ice cream reward if you want one of those. My reward is getting down to my t-shirt, and hopefully it's all downhill from now on. Well, that was easier than a Peak District style. Coat's back on, chilling off a bit. Spoke too soon about downhill the rest of the way, as usual.
As you can probably tell, by this point I felt quite poorly and we did have to stop for a while.
And that's the end of the trail. We're back at the village. Still got a little bit of a way to go till we get to the car. I've really struggled today, not really sure why. I think there's quite a few things going on. And I do wonder, when they say it's 4 miles, does that include all the up in and down in the total? There was an awful lot of steps today. Anyway, thanks for watching. Feel free to like and subscribe if you'd like to. Got a bit more drone footage done than I thought. Our next video, fingers crossed, if the weather is nice to us tomorrow, we'll have a lot more, less walking, I think. Thanks for watching.